Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to start this video by saying thank you guys for watching, and also I know we're all at home right now and trying to stay busy. I know it's very boring when you have nothing to do. Today we are going to be doing this Easter unicorn cake. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the vibe that we're going for. It's just a Easter pastel kind of cake, and the reason why I like it and I chose to do this was because it's actually made out of paper, so it's easy for anybody to do. It has everything you need to make the unicorn. So 2 bunny ears, a unicorn horn, and the little mouth, which I usually make this out of fondant, but I decided to pick this up because I feel like we're all at home right now. It's a little easier to do versus using fondant. So yeah, and it's actually $4.99 for 2 sets of bunnies. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys right now how to, first we're going to ice and crumb coat the cake, and then we are going to move on with the decorations. So, okay, so I'm going to show you guys what you need in order to make this cake. So we have a board here, and then I have 3 layers of cake. Obviously you can use any cake you want, just baked these earlier, so I'm going to use that. And then you need a piping bag with some buttercream, Oreos for my filling, and then I also have whipped cream for my filling. And then knife, your offset spatula, and then the, I don't know what this thing's called, and some scissors. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys how to crumb coat your cake. Oh, and I've actually been getting asked a lot to do a cake on how to crumb coat, so basically like a how-to tutorial. So if you guys want to see that, let me know so I can do that. That's more of an in-depth video, so it's going to be probably fairly long. So first we're going to do a little bit of buttercream here to stick your cake onto the board. So we're starting off by cutting the dome and making sure that all layers are cut evenly. I'm adding a dam around the cake and filling it with whipped cream and Oreos. You guys can choose any filling you'd like. For this, I actually used 2 Oreo cookies. You can use less or more, depending on what you'd like. Now we're just going to repeat this process 2 more times. Okay, so now I'm crumb coating my cake, and after I'm done, I'm just going to set it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes so that it hardens, and then I'll final ice my cake and be ready for decoration. Okay guys, now we're going to be coloring our buttercream. I'm going for a pastel vibe, so you just want to add 1 drop of food coloring and just mix. Okay guys, now it's time for the fun part, which is the decorating. So this is going to be fairly easy because these toppers are made out of paper and they do have little toothpicks, so it's pretty easy. We're putting in our bunny ears first, and you want to do this at an angle just like the horn, and the horn goes in a little forward. Okay, now we're going to start off with my least favorite part, which are the eyes. it's very difficult to get the eyes at the same level, so you do have to be eye level with the cake. You have to bend down a little like I do just to make sure that your eyes are together. This is a struggle for me, like you can see here. It took me a few times to get the eyes in the right place. So that's why you want to start off with a very cold cake and refrigerate your cake for as long as you can before you're decorating. That way, if you need to move anything around, you're able to do so and you're not messing up the cake. If I were to do my decoration on a cake that's room temperature, I would mess it up a long time ago. Okay, so now we're just going to place the nose and the mouth. And you want to do everything in the center of the eyes. And for everything to match, the unicorn horn. So everything should align down the middle. So cute, I love it. This was actually a really fun and cute cake to make. So we're going to be using our different colored buttercreams here, and we're just going to add dimension and different colors everywhere. You want to make sure that you're adding, you know, like a unicorn mane around the cake. We're going to add different colors, different heights. Okay, we're almost done with this, so now I'm just gonna add my favorite glitter, which is by the brand The Sugar Art, and it's just a rainbow glitter. I use it for most of my cakes just to top it off and make it a little shiny. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some pastel sprinkles that I have. Not too many, I'm just gonna put a little of the sprinkles onto the buttercream that I just piped so it can stick.